You're standing in your backyard staring at a stack of boxes that represents 12,000 gallons of potential summer glory and a massive amount of manual labor. This is not some tiny inflatable kiddie pool. You can just kick into a corner when you are done. We are talking about a massive backyard water fortress that turns your entire lawn into a seasonal headquarters. When you see the photos online, the scale does not quite hit you. It looks like a fun afternoon project, but the reality is that this pool is a serious piece of engineering that requires your full respect. If you think you can just throw this down on some grass and call it a day, you are in for a very expensive wake-up call. The first thing you have to understand is the absolute necessity of a level surface. Water is incredibly heavy. 12,000 gallons weighs more than most heavy-duty trucks. If your ground is off by even an inch or two, that weight shifts. It puts immense pressure on one side of the metal frame. The liner starts to pull and stretch in ways it was never designed to handle. If you ignore the leveling process, you are basically waiting for a structural disaster to happen in your own yard. You have to clear out every single rock. You have to dig out the roots and the sticks. You have to make that dirt as flat as a piece of glass. It is the most grueling part of the entire experience, but it is also the most important. Once you get past the dirt work, the actual assembly feels like a victory lap. The parts click together with a sense of quality that you do not usually get with these types of setups. It feels sturdy and premium. Then comes the real test of your patience. You turn on the garden hose and you wait. You might be waiting for 24 hours or even longer depending on your water pressure. You will sit there and watch your water meter spin like a top as your bill climbs toward the sky. Once that pool is full, it is a permanent part of your life. You are not moving it. It becomes an anchor in your backyard. But the work does not stop there. If you skip the water chemistry for even a few days, your beautiful oasis turns into a murky swamp simulator. Algae is a relentless enemy in a pool this size. You have to be consistent with the testing and the cleaning. People who treat it like a toy usually only get a couple of seasons out of it. If you treat it like a real piece of infrastructure, it can last for many years. It gives you that high-end feeling of an in-ground pool without the massive construction crew or the 5-figure price tag. It is a massive commitment of time and energy. It is a project that will test your patience and your back muscles. But when the heat is rising and you see the sun shimmering off that deep blue water, all that frustration disappears. It is the ultimate backyard upgrade for anyone who is ready to put in the work before they take the plunge. It turns your home into the place where everyone wants to be. It provides a level of luxury that usually requires a much bigger bank account. Just remember that you were the captain of this ship. You have to maintain the filters. You have to skim the leaves. You have to respect the chemistry of the water. If you do those things, the pool becomes more than just a place to swim. It becomes a sanctuary for your family during those blistering July afternoons. It is a lot of work, but the payoff is incredible.